Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp messages not sending or receiving problems step by step. So if your WhatsApp messages are stuck with a clock icon and not sending, or you're not receiving messages, the first thing you need to check is your internet connection. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, make sure your Wi-Fi is actually working. You can test this by opening another app and trying to stream or browse. If other apps are also not loading, then the problem is your internet. To fix this, you can restart your router, switch to mobile data, or try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network. If your internet is working fine, but WhatsApp's still not sending messages, then move to the next step. Open your phone settings. Go to Apps, find WhatsApp, and make sure background usage is enabled. This allows WhatsApp to send and receive messages properly. After that, check your phone's date and time. Make sure the time and time zone are correct. Incorrect time can cause message sending issues. Now try sending the message again. If it's still not working, restart your smartphone. In many cases, this simple step fixes the issue. You can also clear WhatsApp cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. If you already have a backup, you can also delete WhatsApp and reinstall it completely. One more trick that works for many users is deleting the stuck messages that failed to send and then sending them again. This often fixes the problem instantly. And that's it. Your WhatsApp messages should now be sending and receiving without any issue. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.